This is a collab with Sarah's Adventures with Baby Alive. I'm so hungry. Mommy's not even home, so I couldn't ask for some food. I'm hungry. Ew, what is this? That looks so gross. Oh, it's sticky, but it's not like a glue. Like I thought it's like a lot of glue in this bottle, but it's not a glue. It's I don't know. It's clear. It looks so cool. Super duper cool. I wonder what it actually is. I should give it a taste and just, yeah. Should I taste it? Because I really want to know what this thing is and how does it taste. I think I should give it a try. It looks cool. It's kind of bubbly, but it's not as super. Wow, that is so cool. I never seen this thing before in my life. Like never. Okay, I have made a decision and I want to taste it. Here we go. I don't know why, but it tastes so good. 15 minutes later. Uh-oh, my tummy starts to feel hurt. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh no, this is not good. I'm all covered with pukes and it's gross. It's green. Oh no, what should I do? Elly, I'm home. Oh my goodness. What happened to you? Oh my goodness. Honey, I puked. Okay, here, I'm going to clean you up really fast. Come on. Let me grab my wet wipes. A couple of minutes later. So that's how it all happened. Well, you know you shouldn't eat that. You know what that is? What? It's a slime. Slime? Yeah, do you know what slime it is? What slime is? No? Okay, I'll explain to you later, but are you feeling good? I don't know. Oh, my tummy starts to hurt again. Do you want some medicine? No, it's okay. Are you sure? I should give you some. No. Oh no, it's coming. Hey, Elly, so I got you some medicine. What's that smell? I think I accidentally pooped myself. Oh, wow. Elly, why don't you go to the toilet? I couldn't. I just came. Like, out of the sudden. Elly, oh my. No, that is so gross. You really need to go to the doctor right now. Quick. But first, we need to clean that up. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And this is a collab with Sarah's Adventures with Baby Alive. She is actually the first collab winner and my third collab that I have ever done. And this is a skit with Elly, and she's doing with her Baby Alive Emily. And I'm so sorry if this video is not like in a good condition or whatever. I'm using another phone to record, and the puke and the poop itself is made out of Play-Doh. So yeah, I need to clean her up. Thank you so much for watching. I want to be in the outro. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like and smash the subscribe button to join the team. See you later. Bye.